We good?
Yeah.
So the control's up, like I said before. I should be able to home even before I should be able to jog before I home. I'm in jog 2. Let's try A. Yeah, that's what we just took care of right there. And the other way, minus. Yeah, works nice. One more time back, just jog 1. It's a little bit easier. And we'll leave it right there. So pull back. I am going to get out of jog. I'm going to go to home. And we're going to home it. You good? As soon as I hit it, everything starts moving. So, ready?
Yep.
You can see these numbers, that's all that matters as far as color is concerned. They're not there yet, but they will get there. There's 1. I watch the turntables moving, and you is the 2 important things that we're concerned about. So,
Okay. A still humming.
yeah, table's still homing. Well, Y's not there yet. When Y's done, U takes off. Watch Y. Second one down. And I'll flip over the page so you can watch U turning. Table goes to 28 point something, and then there it is, 28.7 on A. That's happy, that just stopped. As soon as we get Y, I'll flip the page. There's Y. Let me flip over now, and there's U turning, and there it is up there, and you can see it clocking. And it's up there. That'll go pink, and that'll be the last one. That's what the guys wanted to see.
Okay. Right? That's about it.
Yeah, that is it. Back to main page.
It's everything homed.
Yeah, it's all there. It's all good.
Excellent. Okay.